Hello everyone, this is BUBU and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I draw this. So this is a boy and he has a blanket with him and he wants to pretend that he's a little ghost. And I will show you how easy actually to draw this little ghost. I hope you are ready with your pencil and also marker, and let's jump into drawing this little ghost. I will use my pencil to make a sketch. That is the first. Then I will draw a bell shape. Okay, I hope you can see it clearly. Wait, I will show you how I draw it. The bell shape should look like this. It's very easy. It's like a big thumb. Okay, now I will draw something like wave. Okay. Next, I will draw 2 feet because this is a boy and he's wearing a costume of a ghost, a little ghost. And he's wearing socks. Okay, it's very easy, right? Then I will draw 2 holes here as the eyes. They looks like X. Okay. Then I want his hand to come out of the fabric here. So I will draw something like this. And out the hands with fingers. So, and another one here with fingers. It's like he's telling his friends, hey, this is me, I'm wearing costume. Okay, we basically finished. It's very easy, right? It only takes about 2 minutes to draw all of this. Then using my marker, I will bold everything. Okay, then I will color it. My neighbor is rebuilding her house, so maybe you hear some noises. I hope it's okay. So I will use these 3 colors. I will use this, what is it, something like very light pink or very light purple, and gray, light gray, and also yellow. So I will just combine all of them, and remember, you can use any color you want. To blend everything, I will use my cotton bud. And for the shoes, I want something bright because the color here looks dull. So I will give him a purple. And I will use this color, this peach maybe, for the hands and also the feet. Okay, I finished my little ghost. Actually, as I told you before, this is a boy inside a blanket and he pretends to be a ghost. Okay, I hope you like it. Please try this to draw this drawing, and please let me know how it goes. And if you have any suggestion for me to make the video tutorial, please do tell me and I will be happy to make it for you. Please support my channel by giving me a like and also subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video tutorial. Bye for now.